That's usually my favorite.
Well, it used to be for people because now the cheap people are expensive. But back in the days.
You rocked well.
I've never seen it.
Why?
I've just never seen it. But that's clever. You have two tools in one.
Yeah.
I mean, if we have to skip to the tart.
Will we see your mom again?
Put it out.
Okay. Because I forgot to, her being the artist, I forgot to ask her. I'm sure she's been to the Matisse Museum and the Chagall, and which one she would. Probably the Chagall.
I go to Chagall.
You should.
I don't think I have time for both.
You can ask what she
Oscar.
thinks.
Okay. My mom says Chagall, but I want.
Just because you don't see as much Chagall in the States.
You're right.
I think that's why. Unless you've seen the big ones at Lincoln Center, the big Chagall.
Yes.
But
I want both.
Chagall.
Have you been?
Where?
Museum in Nice? Where he